and make it work for any holiday occasion using your favorite celebrity as inspiration. Welcome, Sydney. If Billy barks at you, it's because his wife's name is Sydney.
Yeah, he barked at me earlier. I'm here.
All right, Sid, Summer, you ready for action?
I'm ready.
The LBD, give me the first look. It's Sofia Vergara inspired. It's a glam. It's wild cocktail party sexy. Come on out.
Okay, so this is Denise, and all the dresses we're using today are from H&M, $34.95.
Come on.
And amazing price. And Sofia Vergara is all about showing off her figure. We don't all have the curves that Sofia has, so we use a belt instead. So this belt is BCBG, $78. It's really glam, gives her that glam factor. Then we need some bling, so we did these earrings from TJ Maxx, $19.99. A bling ring,
I love the Mac.
She's looking a
$19.99.
little Jennifer Anistonian right there in that little black
That's her
dress.
gorgeous hair.
I like the tights she did too, with the long down the back.
Yeah, Sofia Vergara in October, she actually wore these vaccine tights, very old Hollywood. I picked these up from Express. They were only $29.90, so it gives that old Hollywood feel. And then we did these Steve Madden shoes, which add glossiness and a big platform to really work her curves.
You are
Sid.
killing. That's a great look, Sid Summer.
Thank you.
Moving on.
Ladylike Reese Witherspoon.
Reese
Let's
Witherspoon.
mix it up a little bit.
Yes, this is Ladylike. This is Kimberly. And we did a cardigan. Reese loves a cardigan. And, you know, it's a little workish, but if you do the silver or sequin, it really brings it into the evening. This one's from TJ Maxx, only $12.99. Then we did the pearls, which is very Audrey Hepburn, but we did a gray pearl. These are by Carol Lee. Some pearls on her wrist and a ruffled handbag, which is very feminine. And then again, the shoes are Steve Madden. We did a peep toe, satin peep toe with a little lace on the heel, so it gives that feminine touch.
I want to remind everybody, this is the same little black dress
Same
that we were
little black
changing.
dress.
Can you believe that?
This is Breakfast at Tiffany's meets the office party, and I love it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Killing it.
Thank
All right.
you, Kimberly.
Edgy, Rihanna, third look.
Oh, look at this.
Okay, so now we have Tatiana, who's going to be our edgy girl, coming out. So what we did here is we transformed the dress into a skirt. So it's a little tailoring trick. We just pinned it underneath and threw this H&M sweater on top, so it looks more like a skirt. Rihanna would wear a leather jacket probably, but I wanted to do price conscious, so we did this suede jacket from Rampage at TJ Maxx. It was only $24.99, and it's more animal friendly. I'm very animal friendly. And we did faux fur, again, the animal friendly. It was only very cheap from TJ Maxx as well, and the Steve Madden shoes, which add a major bling factor.
Sydney, so great.
Sid Summer, one of the greatest looks, one of the greatest actors on TV right now. People are really digging is Zooey Deschanel. We're going to get into that look next. But hang on, we're going to do it on the other side. All right?
Don't come out, Zoe, yet.
Anyway, we're right back after these messages from your local station.
I love that it's